Hi guys, I'm so excited to be here. My name is Suhaas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today what we're going to do is we're going to review this book called Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Let's get straight into it. So the book Power of Habit will equip you with the knowledge, and it's filled with examples where people use habits to transform their lives, and we can apply them in our lives as well. So here are the 5 key takeaways what I learned from this book. So the first takeaway is all habits are made from a habit loop. A habit loop consists of 3 things, which is cue, routine, and reward. We can set up any habit which we want by establishing a simple and obvious cue. Second would be the routine. Third would be clearly defining the reward for the routine. What I started to do, I really wanted to start skipping, and I wanted to skip every single day. So I've been skipping for close to, I don't know, a month or so, by basically establishing 3 things. First one would be the cue. Cue is as soon as it's 5:30 p.m. I know I have to go out and start skipping. That's it. That's simple and obvious cue. Second one, routine. Routine is skipping for me, so that's the routine. Third one, clearly defining the reward. So I like chocolate. So the reward for me, if I skipped for 30 minutes, my reward was chocolate. So by clearly defining the reward, I made sure I move my butt off the couch and then go skip. And I rewarded myself with chocolate every time I skipped. So once skipping became a habit, I don't even consume chocolates now. But once a while, I reward myself with a chocolate. And the second takeaway would be cue, and habits are not triggered without cues. So cues can be very basic, simple as time, location, or a specific object. So the takeaway number 3, cravings. Cravings are what makes cue, routine, and reward actually work. So there is a spike in the neural activity once a reward is received. Yes. And as you continue to do the habit, what happens is as soon as the cue is triggered, there is a burst of neural activity in your brain before even you get to the reward or even you start the routine. So you cannot stop yourself from doing the routine once the cue has been exposed to you. And the fourth key takeaway is writing down what you would do in case of inflection points. So there was an experiment conducted where people who had knee injuries were in rehab and they had to exercise in order to recover faster. However, in the experiment, people were given a booklet saying that you would write down what you would do for exercising, when exactly you would do it, and so on. The people who wrote what they would do, when they would do it consistently, were the people who were able to recover much faster because they had a laid out plan as to what they would do once they have a pain point. So fifth takeaway is keystone habits. Keystone habits are small habits that once developed in our lives actually spill over to other parts of our lives, and then we can keep improving. So in the experiment, people who had a problem of overeating had to maintain a small thing. They had to maintain a food journal, and once they were able to consistently maintain a food journal, they were able to figure out what were the patterns that they did not know before. So once they found out the patterns of how they ate, what they ate, they were able to adjust accordingly and improve their food habits. It also reflected on other parts of their lives as well. Alright. Overall, I learned a lot from this book, and I would highly recommend this book to anyone. If you guys want to find out this book, I will drop a link below in the description. Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I will see you until the next video.